How to plank to lose belly fat. What is the primary purpose of planking workouts or exercises? Planking is one of the exercises that you can do that engages large muscle groups across your entire body, but the primary goal is to flatten or lose stomach fat and condition your core. Planking is one of those exercises that you can do almost anywhere, and when done daily and adequately, can yield excellent results. Many experts recommend that you do plank exercises daily. The only setback with the plank is that many people don't know how to do it properly, the way it is safe and will help them burn belly fat. Following are different forms of plank and how to do them correctly to condition your core and lose belly fat, as well as gain all the tone benefits one gets from a plank workout or exercise. Standard plank. Start with a plank position, face down with your forearms and toes on the floor. Flex your feet so that your toes are on the mat. Make sure your feet are less than hip width apart. Engage your abdominal muscles, drawing your navel towards your spine. Then place your palms on the mat, right beside your shoulders. Take a deep breath before pushing your body up and straightening your arms. Keep your elbow locked to help with your stability. At your highest position, your entire body should make a straight line. So don't let your butt sag down. Make sure your belly is pressed against your spine. Also, keep your head neutral, ensuring your chin isn't pointed out or tucked towards your chest. If you get the plank right, you'll feel all your muscles engaged simultaneously. Hold your position for about 10 seconds, and as you get stronger, hold the plank position for 30, 45, or 60 seconds. Forearm plank. In a push-up position, bend your arms at your elbows so your weight rests on your forearm. Tighten your abs, clench your glutes, and keep your body straight from head to your heels. Keep your feet less than hip width apart and flex them so your toes touch the mat. Instead of your palms, press your entire forearm to the floor and lift your body off the mat. Balance your entire weight between your toes and your forearms. Make sure that your elbows are right below your shoulders. You can clasp your hands together or keep them parallel to each other. Make sure that your body forms a straight line. Activate your abdominal muscles and keep your butt from sagging down. Make sure your head is neutral, or you risk hurting your neck. As you hold your plank, pay attention to your breathing. Avoid holding your breath or breathing too shallowly. Try to breathe as normally as you can. Hold the plank for as long as you can. Side plank. Lie on your side with your legs straight while your feet are stacked on top of one another. Place your right elbow under your right shoulder or vice versa, based on the side you started the plank on. Make sure your forearm is pointing away from you and your hands balled into a fist. Make sure the pinky side of your hand is in contact with the ground. With the neck neutral, breathe out and brace your core. Then lift your hips off the mat so that you can support your weight on your elbow on the side of the foot you started the plank on. Hold this position for 10 seconds and up to 60 seconds based on your ability and strength. Repeat the plank on the other side. The most important thing with plank is getting the technique down and doing everything correctly. Once you learn how to plank properly, you can start working on duration. Start as low as 10 or 15 seconds initially, then challenge yourself to improve on time. Hold your plank for 30, 45, or 60 seconds or more if you can, and keep challenging yourself. When done regularly and adequately, plank exercises or workouts will strengthen your core, tone your stability muscles, and help you lose belly fat and improve your posture and metabolism. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.